In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the display language on YouTube. If you've ever opened YouTube and wished the buttons, menus, and labels were in a different language, this quick tutorial is for you. We're focusing on the display language, which is what YouTube uses for its interface, things like home, subscriptions, and settings. This is especially useful if you're practicing a new language, sharing a device with someone who prefers a different interface, or you've moved to a new region and want the menus to match. Start by opening YouTube and looking to the top right corner of the screen. Click your profile picture to open the account menu. From here, go into Settings, then look for the option labeled Display Language. Depending on your device, it might appear directly in the profile menu as Language. Either way, you're in the right place when you see a list of languages you can choose from. Now select your preferred language from the list. As soon as you click it, YouTube will immediately update its interface to that language. No restart required. You'll notice the menu labels, buttons, and navigation text switch right away. If you don't see the change instantly, give the page a quick refresh and it should catch up. A quick but important tip: changing the display language only affects YouTube's interface. It doesn't change the actual video content or the subtitles you see on videos. Creators upload their videos in specific languages, and those won't be automatically translated. If you want subtitles, you can still use the subtitle and auto-translate options within the video player settings, which operate independently from the display language you just set. If you ever want to switch back, repeat the same process. Click your profile picture, go to Settings or the Language option, and choose a different language. Even if the interface is now in a language you're less familiar with, the location of your profile picture and the settings icon stays the same, which can help you navigate back confidently. One final note: your language preference is tied to your YouTube experience on that device and account. If you use multiple browsers or devices, you may need to set it on each one for a consistent experience. That's it. Simple, fast, and completely reversible. Now you can browse YouTube in the language that feels most comfortable for you. If this helped, consider saving the video so you can revisit these steps anytime you need to switch languages again.